Data is moving faster than ever, and if you know how to direct that flow, it turns into real, tangible revenue. Right now, AI tools can handle 99% of the heavy lifting in content creation. If you aren't using them to build automated channels, you're leaving a massive audience and the revenue that comes with it to someone else. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a fully complete 45-second viral-ready YouTube short from scratch using entirely free tools. You don't need coding skills or expensive gear. You just need a web browser, a few free AI accounts, and basic editing software. Mastering this specific stack of tools allows you to shift from just watching content to managing a high-volume production line that can run as often as you want it to. Step 1 is figuring out what to post. Most beginners struggle here because they pick a topic that doesn't have an existing audience, which makes it harder for the algorithm to find viewers.
To increase your chances of being seen, we are going to focus on 3 specific areas with high viewer interest: wealth psychology, stoicism, and scary mysteries. Inside ChatGPT, we drop this exact phrase: give me 10 viral YouTube Shorts ideas about wealth psychology that have a high retention rate. In seconds, you have a complete content calendar. You review the list, pick the most compelling idea, and ask the AI to writing the ideation to an AI eliminates writer's block and ensures your scripts are built around topics that are already performing well in your chosen niche. Now we need a voice. If you use a robotic text-to-speech voice that sounds unnatural, viewers will likely scroll past before they even hear your first point. Instead, you need a hyper-realistic, deep voice, a kind that sounds like a person speaking directly to the viewer. Using a tool like ElevenLabs, the mechanics are simple. Taste your script, select a natural voice profile from the menu, and click Generate to download your audio file. A realistic voice prevents the viewer from being distracted by a synthetic tone, keeping the focus entirely on the information you're presenting. Step 3 is assembly. This is the phase where you align your visuals and audio to keep the viewer engaged throughout the entire video. Set up your timeline in your editor. Import the audio file you just generated and overlay high-quality background video from a free library like Pexels or Pixabay. This diagram shows the layers. Over your audio and video tracks, use automated transcription to add captions. High-contrast yellow and white text stands out. To keep pace, drop sound effects like whooshes or cash register chimes directly onto the audio peaks. A static video often loses attention quickly. By adding these layers, you create a polished result that feels active and intentional. These rapid visual and audio changes work together to give the viewer a reason to keep watching until the very last second. With the video complete, export your final asset. Now it's time to prepare it for upload. Your title needs to be short and curiosity-driven. If you give away the conclusion in the title, the viewer has no reason to click and watch the actual video. Use relevant backend tags to help the platform understand who should see your content, ensuring it gets categorized in the right database for your niche. By focusing on curiosity in the title and satisfying it in the video, you create a cycle that encourages the algorithm to show your content to more people. You now have a finished, highly optimized digital asset that is completely ready to be deployed directly to your channel. While your first video is a major milestone, the platform usually requires more than one upload to accurately gauge how viewers respond to your content. The real objective is consistency. Use this blueprint to build routines, publishing 1 to 2 videos daily. To make the process even faster, I've included the exact prompt templates I use in the description so you can start immediately. The tools are available and the methods are clear. To see results, you have to apply them consistently, so get started today.